You may recall an off-duty Rutland County Sheriff's deputy was shot by local police in Saratoga Springs, New York last year. He was later indicted for attempted murder for his actions leading up to that shooting. But now a judge has thrown out the criminal case against Vito Caselnova. Fox 44's Mike Hoey joins us live from the newsroom with an update.
Well, Lauren, we should note first of all, Caselnova doesn't work for the Rutland County Sheriff's Office anymore. We were told today he resigned. No indication of when that was, though. On the Sunday before Thanksgiving last year, Vito Caselnova and his girlfriend got into a fight in Saratoga Springs with 3 men from Utica, New York. Police say Caselnova and one of the Utica men shot each other. Responding Saratoga Springs PD officers shouted at Caselnova at least 8 times to drop his gun. He did not, and they shot him, with one of the bullets grazing his girlfriend's arm. A grand jury indicted Caselnova in March on criminal charges, including attempted murder.
And it wasn't until we were given the transcripts and started digging into them that we realized that there were some issues that needed to be brought to light.
In tossing out that indictment, a judge writes the district attorney's office failed to properly instruct the grand jury on the law.
He thinks that there should be a more expansive and a more detailed instruction as it relates to justification and self-defense.
In New York State, we're allowed to defend ourselves during certain situations. One of those situations is if you believe that a serious crime is about to be committed against you or somebody with you.
Judge James Murphy III adds an assistant DA made mistakes in presenting the case to the grand jury that formed, quote, a demonstrated pattern of unfairness. The judge continues, quote, these errors in this grand jury proceeding rendered it so flawed as to be fundamentally defective.
I can't talk about what happened in the grand jury. I'm not allowed to do that by law.
But Saratoga County's DA wanted to emphasize Thursday,
Mr. Caselnova was not absolved of any wrongdoing at any point in time.
Now, prosecutors can try to obtain a new indictment, Lauren. The DA says her office is just starting to evaluate how to proceed and won't rush that process. Caselnova's lawyer says he'll continue preparing as if his client is going to trial. Live in the newsroom tonight, Mike Hoey, Fox 44 News.
An update to a story we reported at 6.